on, mate. Come over here.
Here's this poor cocky. He's on his way out. He's got advanced beak and feather disease. Look at his big beak, look at his beak. He can virtually, can't hardly eat. And we're going to try and just catch him, if we can, to take him up to the vet to have him put down. Painlessly put down, otherwise the poor thing will starve to death. Don't like our chances though, because he can still fly. He can still fly enough. Cruel disease, this. Look at the poor thing's beak. Hello, poor cocky. Poor cocky. He used to be beautiful and lovely and flying and fully feathered and vigorous and strong, healthy. Now you're just on your way out. There he is. He's going over there. Maybe we might just be able to get him. Don't know. Not sure. Here are all the others over here. You don't care, do you, cocky? You don't care about your brother or sister? You couldn't care less. You don't care. Where is he? He's up there. Come down, cocky. Come down, cocky. And we can take you up and have you put out of your misery. Come on, come down. No, not you. Poor darling. Poor cocky. Poor cocky. Oh well. I'll leave it there with you.